I'm going to show you on this video how you can get 1 million views just by clicking these simple YouTube settings. Just so you know, this is not the regular setting you have been hearing about. This is a new setting that most YouTubers don't even know about it yet. And the ones that know about it, they don't even want to tell you. They are using it to get views for themselves. But I'm going to expose it in this video. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Stella and welcome to the family.
So let's use a video to illustrate, but before we get into this video proper, before I show you this thing, I want to give a special shout out to Jazzy Studio, because I actually saw this video on his page and I decided to show you guys. So at the end of this video, you are going to tell me if you think this is, if it makes sense or if it doesn't. But personally, I think this makes so much sense. So firstly, we're going to just find a demo video and use. So this is the YouTube Studio dashboard. So we're just going to upload a video. So we're just going to look for, let's look for a video. Let me just take any like short clip so we can just do this very quickly. Okay, let's do this. Okay, title, we're just going to write, I have a video teaching you how to write the perfect title, so you can check it out. But this is a demo, so just say demo for the title. Then the description, we have a description here already. This description is a default description. You can be able to you can see this thing and be able to do it. If you check my video of how to create a YouTube channel, I taught you how to put default uploads. So here we're going to, okay, this is playlist. We're going to put it in a playlist. Let's just put it on sit down video. Yes, then this, I've taught you how to upload. So this is not a video teaching you how to upload a video. There is default tags already, so we have put in category. Now this publish to subscription field and notify subscribers. If you want your subscribers to see this video, then you allow it. If you don't want your subscribers to see this video and you just want YouTube to push this video to whoever they think will like it, then you off it. This is not something new. Then we'll go to next, ads visibility. Now if you are okay, you are going to say none of them. You just want to make sure that you are on the right track. So yes, I've submitted rating. So this one is only if you are monetized. For people that are monetized, I've taught you how to add end screen and related view. I've taught you all those things. So we'll just go, let's just go straight to visibility, because we don't have time. We'll put this video on private. Like I said, it's a demo video. I don't want it up. It's just for this video purpose. Then we'll save. Perfect. So now we have done this. Now I'm going to show you what is going to increase your views. I'm going to show you what to change your YouTube story. But let's just use, we're going to use like any of my video. Let's just click on any of my video. Okay, so now this is a video that I have on my channel. Now we're going to go to subtitle. I want you to look at this subtitle. You can see video language, and we have automated caption. So in case you don't even put caption on your video, and you see when you are somebody's watching a video or you're watching a video, there is a place on your video called CC. If you type on it, you see caption and you didn't put this caption, that is the automatic caption. That is YouTube that automatically puts a caption in all your videos. So now this is what I want you to do. We are going to add caption. That is the essence of this video. We are going to add caption in another language. So when somebody from another place watch our video, instead of clicking away because they don't understand English, there will be a caption for them in their own language, making us to get more views and more audience. So let's just go to add language straight. So we're going to do Francais, that is French. Yes, we're going to add French now. So we're going to click on that pencil arrow, look at upload file. We don't have the file. Type manually. I don't think you know how to speak French, so you can't type in manually. So what you are going to do, we're going to close this thing. We come back to automated caption and click on this pencil icon. Now we are there. If you can see, look at YouTube has already automatically given us our caption for that video, so there's no need to edit anything. But if you feel there is one or two mistake, you can actually edit it, but from what I'm seeing, there is no issue here, so this is okay. So we're just going to go ahead to publish it. Now it's saved. We'll come back here to our French. Can you see that automatically there is auto translate in it? So just tap on this auto translate. Look at it. This is French. This is French right now. Your videos have been translated to French. Then just go ahead and press publish. You don't have to do too much. Just go ahead and press publish. As simple as that. Now French subtitle is published. Anybody from a French speaking country that come across your video, they will be able to understand you now, because there is going to be a subtitle in French on your video. So if a French person, if a German person, we can even do German. This thing is very nice. I feel that this makes so much sense. We can do German, we can do Indian. And you know, one good thing about this thing is that you can actually go to your analytics and check which country is watching me very well. If you have Indians watching you very well, then you make sure that you go and put the language that Indians understand on your video, making your video to be more accessible to more Indian people. So go ahead to use all these subtitles. You can use all, there are different languages. There's Arabic. We can use Arabic. Let's put Arabic. Now this is Arabic. That was French. Now auto translate. Look at your video is in Arabic. So all those people in Saudi Arabia, all those Arab speaking countries, they can watch your video now and they'll understand. So now look at it. This setting is not really known. That's just the truth of the matter. This setting is not known, and people that know it, I don't even think they have said a lot about it, because it's just only Jazzy Studio that spoke about this thing. And when I did my research, I saw how sensible it is, and this makes sense. So you can see now, you have your videos interpreted in Arabic, you have your videos interpreted in French. This will help you reach wider audience. There is difference between national, worldwide, more people, more audience, more, you will just meet a lot of people compared to national is limited to just your nationality, to just your language speaking, which is English. Only English people can watch your video. But now Arabic people can watch, French people can watch, German can watch. So is it not a very good thing for your videos? And lastly, I want to state it here that if you are posting videos and your videos does not make sense, or the content your content is not good, just don't bother doing all these things, because whether you put it in all the language in this world, as far as it's not good, what is not good is not good. There is nothing you can do about it. Instead, you first go to your content. You go to your content and go and work on it before you come and even put it in different languages for people to see. So make sure you have good content. Then go ahead to put multiple languages on your content to reach a larger audience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.